In this tip and tricks video, we are going to learn about how to change the radius and delete the radius. For implementing that, you have to go on the rebar bar command. There is an option model prep. In model prep, there is a command named with a modified. There is the third column in the model prep command. There is an option of the remove fillets. Just click on that and just select the area where you have to delete the radius and just green check here. And to modify the radius, you just have to simply click on the modify fillet. Just click the radius, then you can put the value accordingly. After changing the radius, your program, which you made the program for the machining purpose, it will change automatically.